This video is to show you how you use a center lathe. This is a metal piece that is 12 millimeters in diameter, and we're trying to make it smaller with the center lathe. First, you have to put it in the lathe. Make sure that it is tight and it doesn't fall out, and you use a chuck key to make the chuck tighter. You then have to wiggle it around to see that it doesn't fall off. You then have to use a cutter to cut the diameters you're trying to make it smaller. When you're in the workshop, you need to wear your safety clothing, so you have to wear your work coat and your safety glasses. You have to take the piece out of the chuck to make sure that the diameter is right before you start working on it. You need to measure the diameter to make sure that the amount you're taking off is right. For you to measure this, you need a tool called the vernier caliper. First, you put the jaws together. You turn it on, you zero it. Then you have to put the jaws apart. You put the metal piece you want in between and you close it to see the diameter. Since it's 14 and it has to be 12, you need to take off 2 millimeters. These are the levers used to move the cutting tools along the Z-axis and the X-axis. This is the X-axis, and when you turn it, you see how it's moving on the screen. This is the same with the Z-axis. You are going to use the Z and the X-axis to bring the cutting tool to position it until it touches the metal piece. You go on the screen and press X, then zero it and press enter. Then adjust the X-axis whilst looking at the screen to exactly move it 2 millimeters. Before you start the machine, you need to select the speed by changing the gears. This arrow selects which band of the gear you want to use. Each of the numbers show how many times the chuck spins per minute. Now it's on 1800. This means the chuck will spin 1800 times per minute. You need to change the speed to 660 because now it's too fast. So first you need to change it to band B. When you are having trouble moving the band, you need to move the chuck around. You have to put down the cover, otherwise the machine won't start. Push down the red lever to start the machine. Start moving the Z-axis to cut the metal. When you're done cutting the piece, you need to take out the surface roughness comparison standard. It has all the different finishes for metal and you check which one you have. In this case, you've got the third one up, which is halfway on the smoothness. So this is how the center lathe works, and I hope this video has helped.